I always think that kung wala kang ari-arian, usually you're nobody.
Siyempre, naging teenager ka din nun, di ba? So, palasagot ka sa magulang mo.
Tutunan ko sa kanya na we need to understand each other, no? Hindi naman tayo, kumbaga, pare-parehas ng pinagdaanan sa buhay.
Lahat tayo may espesyal na taong nagbigay sa atin ng impact sa buhay natin. And for me, ang nagbigay sa akin ng impact sa buhay ko is yung mama ko. Kasi she taught me a lot of things in life, like yung sakripisyo, yung pagmamahal, and also yung pagiging matatag kahit sobrang hirap na nung sitwasyon. Kaya curious ako and I wanna hear more touching stories like this na sino ba yung pinakamahalagang tao sa buhay nyo at ano yung aral na natutunan nyo from them na until now ay dala-dala nyo.
I was inspired by Ayala Corporation, Ayala family, Villar. He started with nothing. He bought all those undeveloped land and then he actually did very well.
2 boys ko kasi maaga akong nagkaroon ng baby noon. 17 ako. So, pariwara ako noon eh. So, pag hindi ako nagka-baby, siguro ewan ko nasan na ako.
My mom right now, yeah. So, tinuruan niya ako ng everything in life na she would know that I can use every day. So, tinuruan niya ako maging, I would say, polite at mabuting tao.
My late mother, because I've learned a lot of things in life through her teachings and advices.
Yung lola ko, during Misa de Gallo, partner ko yung lola kong maglakad papunta sa simbahan.
When I started, I always think that kung wala kang ari-arian, usually you're nobody. If you have money today, your money will be gone next day, right? But if you're like Ayala Corporation, Ayala family, they maintain their status because of their properties. The same thing with Villar. They maintain their status because of those. Bakit sila naging mayaman? Bakit naging improve ang life nila? I got inspired with them. I started doing business here when I was like 18 years old. Started to have small business, stuff like that, right? My family came in this country with nothing, right? We just build our own.
Yung natutunan ko is pahabain yung patience mo kasi nga maliliit sila, ganyan. Tapos, naging mabait na tao bilang magulang. Ganun. Siyempre, naging teenager ka din nun, di ba? So, palasagot ka sa magulang mo, ganun. Nung ako na yung naka-experience nun, parang mali pala, ganun. Dapat palagaan yung magulang.
Whatever you have in life, treasure and then share if you have some. Unahin ang pag-aaral because wala silang maibibigay na mana maliban doon sa pag-aaral na papaaralin ako.
Tutunan ko sa kanya na we need to understand each other, no? Hindi naman tayo, kumbaga, pare-parehas ng pinagdaanan sa buhay. As much as possible, kailangan, as for me, I could be friendly or approachable. So that yung mga ibang tao na nangangailangan tulong, I can help them. In terms na being a friend or makapag-suggest ng kung anong pwedeng gawin sa problem nila, if they have any problems. In general, just being kind.
On Sunday, it's your obligation to go to church. It's just 1 hour a week. Kasi you could offer everything. Your pain, your dreams, like your goal, what you want to achieve, what are you scared for. There are churches that are open. And if you need a mentor, there's a lot of help na galing sa church and you can guarantee that you're in the right path.